Alam mo ba kung anong kulang sa'yo? Ako.
Pagkat in love ako,
Iyak ako,
in love na nga sa'yo.
ilag sa'yo.
At sana'y ingatan mo.
Ate, may tanong ako sa'yo.
Ano yon?
Magsusuot ka ba ng singsing kung wala kang daliri?
Malamang hindi.
Magsusuot ka pa ba ng sapatos kung wala kang paa?
Hindi din.
So bakit ka nagsusuot ng bra, wala ka namang didi?
Emotional damage.
Nais ko'y muling mahagdan at mayakap ka, pagkat pag-ibig mo ang hanap-hanap ko sa bawat sandali.
Talking about that dump truck. Now bag it up and dump it. Bag it up and dump it. Bag it up and dump it. I'm talking about that dump truck.
You should just let me freak you. You should just...
Pero nauuwi lamang ang lahat sa alitan. Alam mo naman na love kita, cute mo pag nagagalit ka. Di ka maiyahag kita, huwag ka nang
Talking about that dump truck. Now bag it up and dump it. Bag it up and dump it. Bag it up and dump it. I'm talking about that dump truck.
You should just let me freak you. You should just...
Bakit daw maganda ka? Ano ba nagpapaganda sa'yo ngayon?
Wala lang, maganda lang. Binigay ni Lord.
Hashtag sana all.
Akala ko ay di kita iibig. Akala ko ay di kita kailangan. Akala ko ay kaya kong umibig sa iba. Hindi pala, ako'y nagpadala sa maling akala.
Sa mga nagtatanong kung ilang taon na ako, bata pa ako.
Paano masabi?
Pwede mo pang tawaging baby.
For you, now with a girl like you, nothing you can do but give the whole world to her 24/7. When she looking so sweet.
looking at me like I'm some sweet escape. Obvious that you want me, but I said I would want myself. The reason
Shawty got that super thing, hot in the sun in the south of Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. Oh, my pockets started tickling, the way she drop it low that thing got me wanna spend my money on her. She get it poppin', lock it, drop it, that birthday cake. Got a candle, need to blow that crazy flame. I take my red, black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire. Somebody call me.
Bong Revilla po, number 16 sa balota.
Wa ako'y labot kung imo kumbiyaan. Naamo ko'y tiil. Mukuyog day ko.